Okay, to maximize or minimize a function under given constraints, you want to graph your constraints first. So you have x is greater than or equal to 0, which is a vertical line, and then that would be shaded to the right. We're going to hold off on the shading. And then y is greater than 0, be right here on the x-axis. And that would be shaded above, which we're going to hold off on that too. And then for this one, we want to change it to slope-intercept form. So that would be y is greater than or less than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 5. So your y-intercept is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your slope would go down 1, right 3. And we want to be as accurate as possible, so I'm going to keep doing it. Help keep my line straight. And then you can also go up 1 and left 3. Okay, and that would also be shaded above the graph. And then we put this one in slope-intercept form as y is less than or equal to negative x plus 7. So our y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our slope is negative 1. Or we can go up. Right, and then we will connect those lines. Now let's look at where our shading would be. Our blue line is a less than, which would be below that, and then our purple line was also a less than, so it's also below that. Our green line was greater than, so to the right, and then our pink line was greater than, so up. So right in here where all that shading is where it would overlap. And then we want to look at these points enclosing that shaded area. And I'm going to list these points in our little table over here. That would be 0, 0, right here. And then we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 0. It's a point. And then we're going to plug each of these in to see what value that gives us. So when we do 0, 0, you have 2 times 0 plus 5 times 0, which would be 0. If we do 0, 5, you have 2 times 0 plus 5 times 5, which gives you 25. And then 3, 4, you have 2 times 3 plus 5 times 4, which gives you 26. And then 7, 0, you have 2 times 7 plus 5 times 0, which gives you 14. So first, let's go ahead and look for our minimum. And that would be 0 is the smallest number. Out of 0, 25, 26, 14, 0 is the smaller. So for our minimum, we would put f of 0, 0 equals 0. Then for the maximum, our largest number is 26. So we'd say f of 3, 4 equals 26 for our maximum.